Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure background location updates on iOS for mobile. Complete guide step by step clearly. To configure background location updates on iOS for mobile, start with opening Xcode. Create a new project or open an existing one. Select the appropriate project target from the project navigator. Navigate to the info.plist file in your project. Add a new entry for privacy location always and when in use usage description. Provide a description explaining why your app needs location access. Next, ensure that your app's capabilities are configured properly. Open the Signing and Capabilities tab in your project settings. Enable the Background Modes option. Check the box for location updates under Background Modes. Now, navigate to your main view controller or the appropriate location manager setup file. Import the core location framework at the top of the file. Create an instance of CL Location Manager. Request the appropriate authorization for location services. Implement the CL Location Manager Delegate protocol. Set your view controller as the delegate for the location manager. Start updating location by calling the Start Updating Location method on your Location Manager instance. Handle location updates by implementing the didUpdate Locations method. Ensure that you manage the user's location permissions properly. Test your app on a physical device, as background location updates won't work on the simulator. Run your app and check in the background. Confirm that the location updates are functioning while the app is in the background. Ensure you handle scenarios where the user denies location permissions. Update your app's UI or perform necessary tasks based on the received location data. Regularly review Apple's documentation for best practices regarding background location updates. Remember to optimize battery usage by managing location updates efficiently. Finally, ensure your app complies with the App Store review guidelines concerning location services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.